Okay, so you've now learned about the Pythagorean theorem, which says that side length a squared plus side length b squared will be equal to side length c squared. So what we're going to do first is label our legs. Remember, our legs will be adjacent to that right angle, and our hypotenuse will always be C, and it will always be across from our right angle because the right angle is the largest angle in this triangle, so it will always be across from the largest side. It doesn't matter which side length you said was A or B, those will be interchangeable. So now I'm going to substitute in for A. A was 3, so that's going to be 3 squared. B was 4, so that's 4 squared. And now we'll have to equal c squared. Now I'm going to do 3 squared, which is not 3 times 2. It's saying 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. And I know that will equal c squared. So now I'm just going to do 9 plus 16, which gives me 25. So I know c squared is equal to 25. But I'm not looking for what c squared is, I'm looking for what c is. The opposite of squaring a number is to take the square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. When I do that, that leaves me with just c. And the square root of 25 is 5. So I find that my missing side length, the side length of the hypotenuse, is 5 centimeters.